And today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Google AdSense to WordPress. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, in my case, I'm actually here using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Then just go, and of course, you would like to type here Google AdSense and hit the enter button, of course, in the URL section. So just make sure to enter the first link, which is actually, or like the second link, all is gonna be great, but I advise you to enter the first link and make sure it's not an advertisement, which is an ad. So just click on that and make sure to collect act. For me, I don't know why the website's in French, but don't worry, just go and click at this icon or this option, not the blue one, if you have an account, and of course if you want to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to click on the other one to create actually your account, and you can even create your account with the Gmail, so you will not go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So let me just go here, switch my account, because this one is actually deactivated. So as you can see, that will actually be your home or your main screen on the application or the website. And of course, if you want to connect your website to your WordPress, all you need to do, just go here to sites. And as you can see, you will have here an option called add sites. So just here, go now to your WordPress. So wordpress.com. And of course, you'll need to log in into your account and get the URL of your website, then just paste it here. So let's say as an example, that's your URL. That's not my URL. I'm just typing random things. So let's say as an example, that's URL, your URL. So all you need to do, just go and hit the save and continue. And as you can see, you will need to connect your site to AdSense, and of course just click at request review and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.